this. Wow. Yes. Wow. Alright, you probably can't see it all. I've been working this bird for a while. He was way up on those tall trees. I called him and he didn't move. And then I just tried to be patient. And he finally started to come down. The only call I think I got on film is when I turned my head like this to call behind me so he would think I was further back. Of course I could have shot him sooner. But I was trying to get him to gobble once. I mean, he was strutting, but I wanted just one gobble, which is why I called at him. But then when he started to turn, like, hey, I don't see a hen, so I knew I had to shoot him. So, great opening morning, beautiful bird. That's exactly what you want when you turkey hunt, is to call a bird, have him come to you, come in strutting. You could hear a little bit of drumming. I love it. It's addictive. I can't think of anything else that's more exciting than that right there. So I'm very happy. I'm going to go look at them right now. Okay, there's cedar trees right in front of me. There's some bigger trees behind it. Those trees are a ways back and they're up on a ridge. That's where the turkey was gobbling. I'm not sure how he got here, but I knew that there was this trail. I'm imagining he kind of came through some thick stuff because I could hear him back in there, but he got this trail and I couldn't see him. He came walking down here. By the way, I found a deer that somebody shot and killed and never found last year. In Utah, I couldn't pick this up, but in Kentucky, they're a little smarter about it. Mice have been eating it. But anyways, he came right here and I could see him. I was sitting underneath that cedar tree. I counted 32 steps. But right about here, I could have already shot him, but I just wanted to have him put on a show. So I didn't shoot. I wanted him to strut and do what makes turkey hunting so awesome. I haven't looked at his spurs yet. He's got a decent, he's got a pretty long beard actually. Not real thick, but yeah, it's not a baby. Oh man, yeah, this is a 3-year-old for sure. Could be 4. It's hard to tell, but it's definitely not a 2-year-old bird. This is a full-grown adult male gobbler. And I love shooting these things, and I'm happy. I'm really happy. Alright, just take a look at this turkey. His skin is bald here from breeding so much. It's like he's been on a honeymoon. Look at that. Turkey been busy.